Imagine a microscope that doesn't just see cells, but sees the actual atoms that make up everything around us. A tool so powerful it reveals the building blocks of reality itself. Switzerland is at the forefront of this quantum leap. In Switzerland, research teams are combining quantum sensors with artificial intelligence to push microscopy into a new dimension. For example, scientists at the University of Basel have developed diamond-based quantum sensors which detect magnetic and electric fields at the scale of just a few nanometers. These sensors have enabled imaging of features previously invisible to conventional microscopes. Here's how it works in simple terms. A tiny diamond tip, just a few atoms wide, contains a nitrogen-vacancy center, a defect that acts as a quantum sensor. It responds to extremely small electric or magnetic fields, even at room temperature. Machine learning algorithms then interpret the sensor's signals, converting them into images of atomic-scale behavior. The implications are huge. With these tools, researchers can peer into the atomic fabric of material science and nanotechnology. They can observe how atoms interact in superconductors, how quantum materials behave, how defects form, all of which could accelerate the design of next-generation processors, superconductors, and quantum devices. Think about faster, more efficient quantum processors, or materials that superconduct at higher temperatures, or electronic components built with atomic precision. This quantum imaging system isn't just another microscope. It's a window into the atomic-scale dance of matter. And the AI-driven element is crucial. The volume and complexity of data these quantum sensors generate are massive. Machine learning helps filter out noise, interpret subtle signals, and reconstruct meaningful images. This human plus machine synergy is what makes the technology practical. But let's be clear, while the technology is advanced, it's also in its early stages. Terms like real-time imaging of single atoms should be taken with caution. Many experiments still operate in tightly controlled environments, ultra-cold, ultra-clean, and often with very slow scan speeds. So while we are very close to seeing atomic interactions directly, the claim of fully real-time, AI-driven atomic imaging is not yet mainstream. Switzerland's investment in quantum science is paying off. With institutions like ETH Zurich, University of Basel, Paul Scherrer Institute, and others, the country is building a strong ecosystem for quantum sensors, microscopy, and AI. This is part of a larger global push to harness quantum technologies for material science, medicine, computing, and more. In essence, we're opening a new door, from seeing atoms as abstract units to observing them interact, change, and form the basis of tomorrow's technologies. A truly atomic-scale revolution may be just around the corner. If you found this intriguing, hit like, share, subscribe, and click the bell to join us as we explore the frontiers where quantum meets artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Until next time.